we go into QA? What is testing? What are the importance of testing? What's the responsibility of a tester?
Hello guys, so it's been 1 month since we started our automation testing class, and our students are already thinking like pro testers. Let me tell you a short story. We discovered a difficulty last week, and while our tutor was trying to fix it, our students were also figuring it out without even being told. Yes, and guess what? One of them fixed it alone without help, just within 1 month of training. So when he was asked what motivated him, this was his response.
I'll start by saying that, to be very honest, so when we finished the class, I thought to myself and I said, okay, the essence why we are all learning this stuff is trying to figure out problems, maybe in softwares, and then provide solutions to it. So, and then from the class so far, one thing I have learned is that you have to have a problem-solving attitude. I wrote something down, right? So what I wrote was a simple error could cause a lot. So if you are the tester, you have to try and detect others' errors to solve them and not make mistakes, causing more problems for yourself. So in essence, patience is a virtue as a tester. You have to find a solution, just have to find a way.
You see, at LEMP, we don't just raise testers, we raise passionate problem solvers. So what's stopping you? Join LEMP today and say hello to a beautiful future.